Discover a home where modern elegance meets timeless charm. Bold patterns, sleek finishes, and vibrant accents bring every room to life with unforgettable style. A striking modern chandelier with exposed bulbs sets a warm, contemporary tone in the entryway, where light and geometric details create unforgettable style. The living room pairs modern elegance with warmth, with white walls, dark floors, a bold fireplace, and vibrant accents adding balance and intimacy. The breakfast nook is bright and welcoming, with sunlit windows, a blue patterned rug, and a farmhouse table with built-in seating for relaxed dining. The family room is open and inviting with vaulted ceilings, soft sectionals, and sunlit walls, brightened by vibrant pillows and blue flowers flowing into the kitchen. The kitchen pairs a dark marble backsplash with white cabinetry and brass accents, centered around a professional stove for elegance and function. The home office is refined and moody, with dark paneling, a classic desk, and a green chair, while a hidden doorway adds sleek functionality. The home bar impresses with dark tones, gold accents, and a wall of wine storage, flowing into a dining room with a wooden table, woven chairs, and bright accents. A sleek glass rack ties the spaces together, while a cozy window seat offers an elegant nook for relaxation. The bathroom pairs bold black and white design with marble, brass accents, and fresh flowers, creating a modern yet timeless look with a touch of luxury. The bedroom combines a bold four-poster bed and patterned wallpaper with black and white tones, softened by textures and vibrant accents like fresh flowers, a koi mural, and a magenta ottoman for chic elegance and comfort. The bathroom vanity features a timeless mix of white cabinetry and marble, accented with gold fixtures and softened by natural light and fresh florals. The sitting nook is bold and intimate, with dark walls and checkerboard floors contrasted by a patterned chair, a vibrant pillow, and fresh greenery for a touch of charm. The bathroom vanity features black cabinetry with a white countertop, brass fixtures, warm lighting, and red-orange flowers for a refined yet lively touch.